So I'm going to carefully fill out the Venn diagram. I'm going to start with this. 14 do not prefer any of the three destinations. So I'm going to put 14 somewhere here. Now, 39 prefer all three of the destinations. So I'm going to put 39 right around here. Okay, I've taken care of this one. 100 prefer Kenya and South Africa, but not Tanzania. 100 goes right here. Again, you have to read this carefully. 100 prefer Kenya and South Africa, but not Tanzania. So this is not a part of 100. 100 goes here directly. I have taken care of this. All right. Of those who prefer Tanzania, we are just talking about this circle, which should add up to 405. 50 also prefer Kenya, and 115 do not prefer any other destination. 115 will go here. That's relatively easy. Now, for 50, you have to be careful. 50 also prefer Kenya. That tells me that only 11 goes here. Because if I put 11 here, then 11 plus 39 is 50, and 50 end up preferring Kenya of the people who prefer Tanzania. How do I find the value that goes here? Well, you're going to take 405, the number of people who prefer Tanzania. From 405, you're going to subtract the sum of 11, 115, and 39. That turns out to be 240. And how do I find out what goes here? From 600, I'm going to subtract the sum of the following three numbers: 11, 39, and 100. And I'm getting 450. How do I find out what goes here? From 485, I'm going to subtract the sum of 100, 39, and 240, and that gives me 106. 106 goes here. Now I have my Venn diagram all filled out. I'm ready to answer the questions. So I have filled out my Venn diagram. All the 8 spots have been filled out. Now I'm ready to answer the questions. So the first answer is 1075. How many tourists are in the group? If I add all the 8 numbers, 450, 11, 115, 100, 39, 240, 106, and 14, I will get a sum of 1075. So there are 175 tourists in the group. To answer part B, all we have to do is subtract 39 from 1075 to get 1036, because at most 2 means 2 or fewer, and in this case it would mean 2, 1, or 0. If you add all the numbers except for 39, you should get 1036, or you can subtract 39 from 1075 to get 1036. Out of 1075 people, 450 of them like only Kenya. So Kenya will be selected because that is 41.8%.